Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the Algebra 1 concept of factoring trinomials. This is standard A.10E in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 48 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we need a function that is equivalent. So we've got a trinomial up there, tri meaning 3. So this is an equation where one side has an expression that has got 3 parts. And we're really looking at it like this: ax squared plus bx plus c. If we can see that it's in this format, which it is, we're going to grab the values of each of these coefficients here. All right, so a, our leading coefficient, is going to equal 9. Now it's a 24, right? But we can call it a plus negative 24 if we really wanted to. So it's going to be a minus 24. The fact that it is negative is going to be very important. And then I've got a c of 16. Okay, so we're going to use the diamond method in this video. It's not the only way to solve this, but it is a highly efficient and effective algorithm. So what we do is we take our a and c terms and we multiply them. So I've got 9 times 16. Okay, we're going to put that up at the top, and what we're looking for, we're going to be looking for factors, right? Maybe 9 and 16, but most likely not, that equal that 144. So down here we're going to just put b, and that's negative 24. Now, over on the left and right, we're going to put ax over factor, because we are looking for factors that multiply to 144 and add to 24. So my a is 9, so it's 9x over something, 9x over something. We'll come back to that in a moment. So really, let's start with our 144. I need two factors that make 144. And add to negative 24. Since it's going to be negative, I'm going to need at least one of my factors to be negative. And since the product is positive, I actually need both factors to be negative. So two negatives to equal a negative 24 and to add to, or to multiply to positive 144. All right, so obviously I got 1 and 144. I've got 2 and 72. Let's see, that can be divided by 3, I think. So 3 and 48. Not yet. Let's try 4. 36. Okay, getting a little bit better. No 5. What about 6? Yep, 6 and 24. Now we're getting closer. Let's try 8. And that's going to give me 8 and 18. 26. Really close. What about 9? 144 divided by 9 and 16. Okay, 16. And let's see, 10, 11, 12. Oh, there we go. That's what it's going to be. Look, just your 12 times 12. All right, so two negatives. All right, what this means is negative 12 times negative 12 equals positive 144. And then negative 12 plus negative 12 equals negative 24. So we put each of these factors down here, right? So I've got negative 12, and I've got negative 12. Now, we do it like this so we can simplify if possible. So let's divide top and bottom by 3. That's going to be 3x over negative 4. Same thing over here. And then that's going to be it. 3x minus 4. You write the numerator as the first part of the binomial, the denominator as the second. We just wrote it as a fraction to simplify if possible. And so really we could just say it's 3x minus 4 squared, right? Since I'm repeating that twice. We see g and j are both kind of similar, but obviously we need that minus 4 rather than a plus 4. So my answer is j.